what's up? This is Hayes for After Effects tutorial channel, and now working with Attack title movie, Indian new movie Attack. So how to make this title animation, lighting, background, particle effects and more. Let's go. Create a new project in After Effects. Create a new composition in 5 seconds. Name it Attack. Good, and select HD. If you want to make this project for some special advertisement or in film industry, you must select Full HD or 4K. Okay, press OK and import the logo of Attack title. There is Attack title, just title logo, and then create a new solid and name it Attack. Press OK and turn off. Select pen tool, lock the background and press Command or Escape button, and then create a mask like this. Okay, the masking is finished, and fit your screen and turn off the background. Now create another new solid, name it Element 3D. Press enter and then go to Effects, Video Copilot, Element, and then go to Custom Layers, Text and Mask, Pad Layer, select Attack, Mask Solid, and then go to Scene Setup, press Extrude in Element 3D Setup. Extrude. This is Attack. And now go to Presets, Bevel, select a single extrude bevel like this, and need more darker, like need more darker. This one is really pretty good. And go to backlights. Where is backlights? Backlights, pro shaders, no, environment, backlights, 2K, a dark backlight, more darker backlight. Yeah, that is great. Okay, now press OK, and now time to create a background. But how? Create another new solid, name it background, select a blue color like this, blue color, press OK and move down. Turn off the mask layer, select the background, and then double click, import the texture of freeze. Press scale up and then move it down. Press shift with plus on keyboard, change it like this, change more, this one is good but need more scale up, and drop here, blur, maybe Gaussian blur. Press Ctrl for slowly change it like this. Okay, and now time to create the particles effect. Need different not bad. This background mode is too good. Okay, now time to create particles. Ctrl Y for another solid. Particles. Press enter and go to effects, and then go to trap code particular. Okay, move the particle point right hand and go to emitter. There is velocity and there is particles. Select cloudlet and change the random size, and then go to physics higher, change it like this. Okay, play now, and then change the velocity and move the point more right hand, and now change the particle color to black. Okay, need more down the size too, and change the random size 50, and need more particles. Yeah, that is great. And now change the live and change wind X and Y. Play too fast. Play again. That is good. And go to turbulence, affect position, change the size 3, and play again. Yeah, that is good, but need more. This rate is normal, and go to rendering, motion blur, turn on, not too much, maybe a little bit down. Like this, more down 30, and yeah, that is good. And go to live second, okay, too good. And now go to element 3D title and go to render setting, lighting, and change to cinematic, or go to rotation, change direction of the light like this. Need more one copy of the phrase up to text. Press shift, press plus on keyboard for changing the mode of this texture. which one is really good. This one is good. And now create a light, Ctrl Y, light, change to alpha color and press OK, and go to effects, stylize, no light factory, and go to lens flare, select a streak light. Because in this movie title uses streak light, but we have no streak light, change the mode to add, move it here, one here and one more need, Ctrl D, one here, right click, create a new camera, 24, press OK. Okay, now time to create one more copy. Select the light, Ctrl D, and move the light here, and select this light, down the brightness like this, change this a different effect. Ctrl D, move it here and change the brightness too much high. Okay, and now time to create another effects. Look, when the title is coming on the background like this, go to group 1, particle look, press shift, second one, stopwatch position Z, and go to 10 frame, change it to 0, change to 0, fit the screen a little bit, zoom in like this. Yeah, that is great. And select this light, delete this light too, select, move the light here, and duplicate the light, move the light one copy here. Yeah, that is good. And now play. Yeah, that's good. Press U on element 3D, need more time, and go to motion blur element 3D, turn on the motion blur, change the motion blur rate. Yeah, that is good. Render again. Okay, play now. Yeah, that is good. Good. Select the light and turn off the light here, and turn off this one too, and turn off this one too. When the title is coming, stopwatch and stopwatch the light location, change it like this, and move the light like this, and select another one, stopwatch, change the light brightness and move here, and select another one, and now create another effect like this. Start from here and here. Yeah, create a new line. And another easy way is select element 3D, duplicate the camera, element 3D and camera, and attack layer, pre-compose 3D, and now you can mask on the title of element 3D like this. One, and there is another one, two. Yeah, little bit close, press M, subtract, little bit close, more and more. Take a look. Wow, that is really great. And need one more. Zoom in. Need one more masking. Select one more from here. This is the middle point of masking, and here. This is the middle point of masking, and here. And go to mask, subtract. Okay, select both masking, zoom in, press V, yeah, that is good. Fit your screen. And now time to create motion for the masking. After title coming, After 2 seconds there is mask expansion. Mask expansion, look, close, turn on, change to 0 and go to another mask, stopwatch, change to 0. It means, yeah, and you can change the mask motion time like this. And now you can create another effect for the camera motion. But how? Create a new camera, but we have a new camera, a new adjustment layer, and drop here, slider control right here, slider control, drop it. And now press F4, turn on 3D on all these layers without particles, on background, on textures. Okay, and now when the title is coming on this floor or background, the title is coming, select the camera, press P, press Alt, click. Before selecting Alt, click right here, wiggle bracket 10, 50. Select adjustment layer and select 50, parent web to slider control. And now stopwatch, slider control, take a look. Yeah, that is good. And turn off for the texture, turn off, press U, change the rate, change 0, and now play, render your project. Test again. Change the slider control time too much near, and starting from 1 second, change the slider control, start from 1 second, and the title stop must be 10 frame. Go back to element 3D, press U, start from 1 second up to 10 frame, change to 10 frame. Play now. That is good. And now time to create smoke. How to create smoke? Plugins, action is in shield. need dark smoke. Where is the smoke? Dark smoke. Play and test. Not good. What about this? Not good. What about this? Not good. But select one of these. Because no have much time. Go back to element 3D and change it to 0. And go to here, drop here, and now move it there and mask from here. And go to mask, press M, subtract, select path, play now. That is really nice and pretty good. Okay, just one thing, changing background of this title, movie title, but how to change it? Go to freeze texture. There is a lot of freeze texture. Select one of these, which one is really good, and then save it and use it. This one is good, and you can use overlays texture like alpha and import, drop on your composition, change the scale size and turn off this one, select, press shift, change the mode, one thing more, change color of background. Okay, test now from there and cut the smoke footage, press Alt bracket, trim your comb, and then render. Okay guys, there is one thing more for making beautiful title movie. The first thing, press MM, a little bit fader and little bit fader, not too much. Let's see, what about 1? Yeah, that's good. And select the light, 1 copy, Ctrl D, and go to no light, move here or maybe here, press U and turn off the brightness. Move